Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. How to do, wagwan, bless up on a nice, clean, good self. And please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Yes, my dear. Hey, Mr. My loves. Me no business when nobody wants to say, but me love social media. I love social media. Me entertain out here. Can you imagine sitting down and getting entertainment from left, right, and center without have to pay a dime? All you have to pay a Wi-Fi, or if a data you use, all you have to do is tap up your data. No, man. I love social media. I love I couldn't tell me watch TV. You don't know how long me watch series. And can't done. Me say, me used to love series and African movie me loves, and me can't get no chance to go watch my nice favorite movie them again. Me love the reality show we are going out here. I not lie, I love it. No, Tlady, mama. Hey, Tlady, make you not listen. Tlady, when you are going to learn how much battery you are going to make the woman give you Tlady before you learn little sense, ma. You not tired for them buff you out here? Ima, have you a toss round the place like a tennis ball? You a slave, Tlady? Make your love battery, so are you a slave, mama? Not lying, you see that piece of ass and the way you get yesterday morning. All when that soaking at you, you're not going to feel it right away when you really sit down and look into it and when it's soaking at you and then the time that you're going to feel it, you know. If you're the older you get Tlady, I fool you become. Me think people get older and wiser. Me never know so them get older and fooler. If me and you are ever family member, ma. If me and you had ever family member would disown you, I would know you. For people feel fool, but not so. You come out here the other day, say you skits out the woman. And you flap. You come back again and you was a flap. You remind me of them people that we can't fight and love chuck badness. Yeah, you remind me of them people that them know them can't fight but them love chuck badness and use their mouth as their weapon. And deep down they know if your creep sitting off for them heart start flatter. And this a regular thing for you. Make trouble and then come ball. And make you look like a people trouble you. Yeah man, look how me talk to you. Look how me talk to you, little girl. Look how me chat to you. And you know listen, how much more name you are going to get? The amount of name where you get out here, you not satisfy. You're full of names like your telephone directory, you not satisfy. See, then now look where you reach. Look which part you reach down. Look on the level which part you're there now. You reach way down to delusional donkey. Are you name so not Tlady? You didn't know see your name so? Are you name delusional donkey? If you're a big woman, you not no shame. If you're a big woman, you don't have no shame. You look like your shame tree left back at cell wall them. It look like your shame tree left behind the grills. Them big heavy grills there. Yeah, it look like you left them. You didn't carry when you not come out. The woman wash you. She rinse you and she wring you out and hang you up for dry. And you still not learn. Then you think of me, nobody could have called me delusional donkey and get away. And the whole world sit down and listen to me name delusional donkey. I would have war for less than that. But then again, when me ask Google, as everything me go to Google with you know, because I will not think Google don't know what Google know. And when me go ask Google what is a delusional donkey, I me click on the image of this Google show me. And me not lie, but me see a little resemblance. Yeah man, a slight resemblance is there. Especially when a donkey smile. Yeah, me see a resemblance when a donkey smile. Yeah, it won't. Yeah, man, it won't have the same smile. Yeah. I'm bad to bad Tlady. Me don't love laugh after you, you know. I don't love laugh after you at all. Me pity you too. Tlady. Me don't lie, me pity you too. And despite all of that, when me think say you go sit down and take heed, you come back again. If you show say you're not back down and you're not shame and you not care. I don't laugh, people laugh with you, you know. When you come out here and make a jackass of yourself, I don't laugh, people laugh with you, you know. Them a laugh after you because you are not funny. You're not talented, you have no skills. Acting is not for you. Them a laugh after you literally. The same woman wanna get up and live and chastise and degrade every day. And the same woman have you out here turn you in a novice. Have you turned in a hangana? And whether you want to accept it or not, or your people them will watch you want to accept it or not, you're defeated. You are defeated. Because a proper piece of ass that you get yesterday. In a decent way. Because she never have to come out your concourse and class and send you up now and tell you no whole heap of bad word. You get a proper piece of ass. Basically, right now, as far as me city lady, all you need now to be the perfect jackass and the two hamper them on the side and the tail. That's all. But serve you right, you had it coming. You had it coming. You see how much years this woman no address you. She come out here and fling stone and no squeal out. She no call no directly. She no call no name directly. She just fling stone and no squeal out. You see how much years she no address you. And you make sure if you come for you yesterday morning. You had it coming because nobody never send call you. Nobody never send call you, lady. They do her skit and chocolate and vanilla join in with it. And you take your hand by yourself like you did invited. What are you well want to mix and mingle with the human? Well, you finally get what you've been yearning for, the attention. You finally get little attention from Lady D. Yeah, man, you must sleep good last night. You finally get little attention. You must sleep well last night. Oh, Lord, she acknowledged me. Yeah, man, she get acknowledgement, my love. She get acknowledgement. Serve you right, and you can't blame nobody. Anything you get, you have to take it. For you come out here and think you insult the lady. When really and truly you insult yourself. Tlady is an embarrassment. Are you the laugh upon? The laugh is on you. Right now you need some people in your life to show you a little love. To love you. Love you enough to tell you the truth. You understand? And see to it that you get some serious help. Because you need it. You're in a denial. You need help. My dear children. Mental health is no joke. It is no joke. And the time you're on social media, you wanna be actress, you go look after yourself. Go and go look after yourself, lady. There can only be one Danago. Anything will come after that a bandolo. Imagine the woman come out for Master Baker. Master Baker, the woman come out fine. But my question to lady, you a baker? Me ask you a question. You a baker, much less to be Master Baker? You master baking yet? You a master baker title? Then I would have really out of your mind go refer to you as master baker. What a way for your chest high? What a way for your chest high? Want to be known as master baker? Where? Where? Girl, the attention we are seek, the attention that you are seeking, it is not on social media. It is somewhere else. And the only attention you feel look right now is some medical attention, ma'am. That's all. The people them skit never have nothing to do with you. Yet you take it up and for yourself, go get entangled in it. See, there you come mess when the woman say your body shame and go on with yourself. And the woman come here, come make you and curly your back up for the clown title. Because curly I did the clown out here, you know. But right now, the two are battle for the position. The two are battle for the highest clown position. Right now, as far as me see, as long as Dana keeps striving out here past social media, you're not going to survive. You're not going to survive it. You don't have long left out here. Because bad mind, jealousy, and obsession soon take away your 3 pints. Might as well you go get a walk with Mr. McDonald. Where my name? Ronald McDonald? Make him get the clown position of McDonald. For right now, me don't see purpose where you serve past social media. Yeah, you make yourself look like a big fool. And the award for the biggest delusional jackass of the year goes to none other than... Me not call nobody so. Me love, me not call nobody so. You can't finish it. The one and only. Wait. Let me announce it. Hold on. And the award for the biggest delusional jackass of the year goes to none other than the one and Only! Uno finish it. Uno finish it. Uno not make my soul go to hell. Uno not sending me through no pearly gates. Uno finish it. What are we now want me and Agnes go through pearly gates? Me nah say them something there. Uno have to go finish it. Me can't fight, Baba. But Tlady, mommy, you're not sorry for yourself. You're not sorry for yourself, ma. And you know the worst part of it? The worst part of it, you know, you take yourself cock up on the woman platform. I get a notification. Then I want to make you a torture for yourself. So day in, day out, night in, night out, you this a torture for yourself. So, my gosh, lady, you're broken. You're broken beyond repair. Hey, Tlady is a knockout. You get yesterday, no? Is a knockout. You don't even get figure a second round. Right now, that the knockout, the way you get, ma, it would have better if she ain't caught you somewhere out a piece or two before. Because them the same thing the way she tell you yesterday, they sting hotter than lick. They sting, man. All for days. All for days for your body ache. All for days for your body ache you. No, man. No, I understand. Say you have the little award, something that come up, yes, where you go showcase or something them or whatever. And you try to hustle the little money and stuff and make up on the 2 pence, 8 penny where you have. But my love, if you go down to that level there where you go and make a jackass of yourself on social media, then you worth it, mama. Remember, no, you lock up in your room and look in your mirror and do your foolishness. Them, you know, people are watch you. People are watch you and the little hypocrite them where you have over there follow you now and tell you to stop. Stop, only them who want find it entertaining. And deep down them not entertained, but you understand them have to put on the show for you. Good God, man. Imagine you put out any little thing out there and not a soul that support you. But you know when you use the woman name, you understand people will come fast and them not call look because them a support you. And I look them call look because them a give you no support. I just fast them come for fast. You not get no likes, you not get no shares, you not get no heart, you not get nothing. Oh Lord. You not look good for your Tlady. You not look good. Sad bad. And then now the lady now come out and announce and say, yeah, green card depend the way I come. Green card depend the way I come. The green card is coming. You see how you switch over fast? You see how you switch over fast? You start post up family pic. You put up your long scroll, them I write this and I write that and I write everything what you do to people. And I say people I do to you and you have email to prove. You think you're easy. You think you're easy. You catch your afraid now. Green card I come, you catch your afraid. Why Tlady, me not lie. The name fit you do. You're really a delusional donkey. The name fit your man, it fit you. You wear it well. You wear it well. Right now you need it to put it on a sash. Miss Delusional Donkey. Yes, my loves and always, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. And please remember, if you're just part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Big up on a nice, clean, good self. And I'll see you all in another video. Have a wonderful, safe, and productive day. Bye-bye. Peace out. Much love. Later.